Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful glam fall makeup. So if you love makeup and you're here for the glam, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with my base. I'm going to apply my Missha Glow Skin Balm all over, and this is going to act as a primer and moisturizer, and it's going to give me that nice glassy glowing skin that I am always looking to achieve. Since we're moving into the drier, colder months, I'm going to be applying this Glow On Oil Volume Base from Etude House. This has gold capsules in it, and it's going to give me a nice glow to my skin without feeling greasy or oily. So now that my base is ready, I'm going to apply my foundation. This is the Lancome Teint Miracle Lit From Within Makeup Foundation. And the shade I'm using is 320 Bisque W. I'm gonna apply one pump to the back of my hand, and maybe I'll use a little bit more if I need more, but for now I'll start with one pump. So I'm going to use my Sigma foundation brush, the F60, take some of that product and apply it to my face. I like doing this because it applies the product evenly all over, and then I'll go in and blend with my beauty sponge. Just like maybe a fourth of a pump for my forehead. So now that I have the product on, I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge and blend the foundation. So I'm going to apply concealer to areas where I want more coverage. Under the eyes, around the mouth, the chin, a little bit on the forehead. I have a little, like, I don't want to say pimple, it's like healing. So I want to cover that. And then I might just apply a little bit down the bridge of my nose just to brighten that area. This is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer from Too Faced in the shade of Vanilla. So I'm going to be setting my under eyes and baking using my Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Born This Way multi-use complexion powder in the shade Natural Beige. And this is also from Too Faced. And I'll be using my Sigma Beauty Tapered face brush, the F25, to apply the powder. I'm also going to brush out any of the excess powder under the eyes. I'm going to be using this Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin contour product, and it has 3 different shades of contour, and I'm going to go in with the lightest 2 shades and blend those 2 to apply that in a 3 on my face, and then with the lightest shade I'm going to contour my nose. I'll be using my Sigma large angled contour brush, the F40, to apply this. Now I'm going to apply this mauve blush. This is the Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in the shade Pink Brownie. It does come with this little cute puff to apply it if you so choose to. I'm going to just kind of lightly apply it with this. I will say if you do use this, then you get a good amount of pigment. So it's actually not too bad of an applicator. For highlight, I'm using the Kaja Mochi Glow in the shade Toy Alien. Now it's time to add some lip products. I'm going to start off by applying my NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. And I will be overlining my lips just slightly. And now I'm going to apply my Dear Dahlia Lip Paradise Effortless Matte Lipstick in the shade Sophie. So I'm going to take the lip liner again and just kind of blend the two colors together. Make sure that your lipstick doesn't get on your teeth. We're good? Okay, now it's time for the eyes. I'm going to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. First, I'm going to apply a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques blending brush to blend it onto my eyelids. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. She's a beauty. I actually haven't tried these shades on my eyes yet, so I'm super excited to play with this palette. So right away, I already know that I want to play with this pink strawberry milk shade. So what I'm going to do is mix the shade Strawberry Milk and Cafe con Leche together and apply that into the crease. And to blend out the eyeshadow into my crease, I'm using my Sigma Beauty Tapered blending brush, the E35. So now I'm going to lightly tap in the shades Cafecito and Coffee Beans. And I'm going to use my Sigma blending brush, the E25, to apply them just to the outer V area, keeping it close to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the same brush and lightly blend upwards. Going back in with Cafecito and Coffee Beans once more, and gonna pack more on to intensify the smoky eye. And again, I'm just going to lightly blend the shades upwards. Now it's time to go in with some shimmer, and I think I'm going to use this shade right here, Frappe. So pretty. Let me just give it a swatch over here. Oh, let's swatch it on top of the primer. Ooh, look at the difference. This one just like looks so much smoother than the one that's on my skin with no primer. Either way, both gorgeous. I'm gonna apply the shade Frappe and use my E54 medium sweeper brush from Sigma. I'm going to spray my brush with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to intensify the shade. So pretty. See that? Gorgeous. Lots of fallout and glitter, so I'm going to take my tapered face brush and just blend that out. I'm going to use my short shader brush from Sigma, the E20, and apply the shade Strawberry Milk right below the lower lash line. And then I'm going to apply the shades Coffee Bean and Cafecito just to the outer portion of my lower lash line area. To add a pop and brighten the eye area, I'm going to apply my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Waterproof Cocoa Gel in the shade Nude into the waterline. Today I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner. Winged liner has been my enemy, and we're gonna give it a try. Pray for me. We are going for a thicker wing than I had anticipated today, but you know what? It's all good. Alright, now pause. I will be right back with my other liner on because you know what? There's too much pressure. I can't do it on camera. I'm sorry, I just can't. I'm back and they are looking like sisters. I'm okay with that. So now with my NARS Climax Mascara, I'm going to apply this to my upper and lower lashes. Time for some false lashes. I'm going to apply my Queen Bee lashes from Cocoa Lashes. And I'm going to use my House of Lashes lash adhesive to apply them. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend my real lashes to my fake lashes. And to finish off this look, I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Here's the final look. What do you think? I am in love with these eyeshadows. Seriously, super blendable and very pigmented. Really love these. These are definitely going to be new go-to shades for sure. I really enjoyed filming this video and just kind of hanging out and chit-chatting. So if you like these type of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of videos you like to see from me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Please also follow me on my other socials. I'm at Padee Tina Kong, and I hope to see you in my next video. As always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!